Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about how to make front elevation. So what does elevation mean? For example, you are just standing here, okay, in front of this house, and what you will just see really, that is called elevation. Okay, here what you can see, here you can see this wall, this is off wall, okay, then you can see this window as well, okay, half window, because this is not a full wall. Okay, now you can see this door as well from here, okay, from this place, if this main door is open. Okay, now you can see this stair as well. So that is what all about elevation is. We will just make this elevation here. Okay, so let's see how to make this. I will go here in this plan. You can see here, okay, this is the elevation. You can see that we can see here this off wall. Okay, now off window, because this is off wall. Okay, we can see this window as well here. Okay, we can see this door here. Okay, this one, and then there are stairs, so we can just access only off part of this window. Okay, not off but some part of this window. Okay, now these are the stairs. Okay, now these stairs are moving here. Okay, now we can see this one, and we can see Mumti as well. Okay, you can see this is the Mumti plan. Okay, here, and we can see Mumti as well, and this is the parapet on top. Okay, so we will make same, and we will see how we can make this. I will go here in AutoCAD, and I will just draw here reference lines. Okay, from here I will select just walls layer. Okay, and I want to just give a reference. Okay, so I will start from here. Okay, just look me closely how I am just doing this one. Okay, at the end you will know that what I did. Okay, so this was a reference line. Okay, first point is this one, so first thing is this. Now the second thing here is this one. Okay, we have to just include the window as well. Okay, we can see half of the window as well. Okay, then this is the second point of the window, ending point. Okay, then what we can just see this part. Okay, this part. Okay, now what other we can see. Okay, I will just insert the door as well here. So I will just for now I will just insert this line as well. Okay, after that I will delete this one. Let's see how to do this. Okay, again this is the part. Now then the second part here. Okay, then this the line. Okay, this line. Then after I have to adjust the door from here, so I will just give the reference as well here. Okay, for the door only. Okay, so I will just insert this one as well. Now we need what? We need this stair, where its stair is going to finish. So we will just select this one as well. Now we have to just adjust this one. Okay, so we can see these tread and riser as well from here. Okay, this part, and now this part. Okay, from this part to this part. Okay, now here I have to just include this part, because this is the window. Okay, where it is going to end. Okay, I will just insert this one as well. Now we have to just give this line as well. Okay, so this line and this line, this is the ending line. Okay, so these are references line. Okay, I will just insert some of the things, then you will know that how it will be done. So for example, I want to just give a line here, and I want to just delete this one. Okay, for now I will trim all of the unnecessary lines from here. Okay, so this is the base point, or this is the ground level. From here we will insert the thing. So first thing that I have to insert here is window. You can see here, this is the window. I have to insert this one. Okay, so for example, what is the height from this ground level to window level? Okay, so we can see from here. Okay, I will go here in this plan, and I can see from here as well. Okay, you can see this is 900 millimeter. Okay, you can see here. So I will go here, and I just want to give a reference here. So window is here, so I will give a line here, reference line. I will make a offset of 900. Okay, look me closely. Okay, I will give this point. Okay, this is the 900 mm, so I will delete this reference line. Now I will insert a window here. Okay, so this is W1. You can see this is W1. So W1, the elevation of the W1 is this one. Okay, so I will copy this one from here. Okay, and I will just give this as a base point, and I will insert it here. Okay, now I will just insert D2 from here. Okay, I will just copy this one, and I want to insert this one. Okay, so I will just give this as a base point, so I want to insert it here. So you can see here it is starting from here on this line. Okay, this is the line, this is the line. Okay, So this is starting from here. Okay, now you can see this is another line that we have inserted here. Okay, so now you can see I want to just delete this line. Okay, for now this was just only reference. Okay, now I want to delete this line as well. Okay, this was reference. Okay, now you can see here this is the half wall, so we have to show this wall as well, as you can see here in this elevation. So this is the half wall, so let's just check that what is the height of this wall. That is 1500 millimeter. Okay, so I want to just draw a line from here. Okay, L enter. Okay, from this point, okay, to this point, here is the wall. Okay, O enter, 1500 enter. So from this point to this point. Okay, now you can see this part will be not visible for us because there is wall, and this part also will not visible for us. Okay, so what I will do, I will just delete extra lines. Okay, for example, I want to delete this one. Okay, and I want to just delete this one as well. Okay, now this will include in wall. Okay, now I want to just delete this one as well. Okay, and I will delete this one as well. Now here you can see we have column as well, this column, and we can just see this column after this wall. Okay, so I will just include this one as well from this point to this point. Now you can see here after this column we cannot see this part of the door, so I will delete this one. Okay, I will delete this one, I will delete this as well. Okay, now this is the column. Okay, I will trim this one as well from here. Okay, I will trim this one. Now you can see here. Okay, now the next thing here is I have to just insert this window as well here. Okay, then after what we will do, we will just show stairs here. Okay, so let me just insert this window here. So now you can see the window 2 is starting from here on this point, and it is ending up here. Okay, let me check it. So it is starting from here and it is ending up here. So let me just give a baseline here. Okay, to show this ending up here. So I will just give O enter, 900. Okay, distance from ground level, this point. Okay, now I will copy this. Okay, this elevation W2, I will copy this one and I will give a base point. So this is the base point, and I will just copy it here. Okay, on this point. So let me just delete these lines. These are unnecessary lines. Okay, so I will delete this line. Okay, now you can see here on this line there is a step of stair. Okay, so I do not want to delete this one. Okay, I want to show here a steps. Okay, so I will just keep it as it is. Okay, here you can see this is the wall, so this extra area is not visible, so I want to delete this one. For now I want to delete this one like this. Okay, I want to delete from here and from here as well. Then I want to just E. Okay, now you can see here there are stairs. Okay, there are some stairs here. Okay, from they are starting from here, so the some part of the stairs are not also visible for us, so I want to just start from here. So stair is starting from here. After that we will delete this. Okay, from where on this point. Okay, and up to this point. Okay, this point to this point. Now I just want to copy this one, CO. Okay, and I want to give this point and I will copy it here. Okay, now I will just give the offset from here, and we have to just see the what is the size of riser. Okay, so we will just give the offset here in terms of riser. Okay, because we are going upward, so I will see here and I will check the riser size. So the riser size here is, you can see, 225 mm. Okay, so I will give here the riser size and O enter, and what will be the riser size? 225 mm. Okay, so I will give first, let me check that how many step, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Okay, then 2 3 4 5, then 6 7 8 9, then 10 and then 11. Okay, so just I have to delete this part of the window as well. Okay, we cannot see this one because there are stairs, and we have to just delete this part of stairs as well because we cannot see because of this wall. Okay, this wall. Okay, So I will just delete this one from here and tr enter, okay, and I will delete this one, okay, from here, and I want to delete this window as well from here, and this one as well, okay. So I will just trim and delete, okay, from here, and enter. Now this one as well, this one, sorry, I have to trim this one, enter, tr enter, and I will trim this one. So this part of the window will be visible for us, okay. Now the stair part is this, okay. Now we are just moving on this direction, so what will be the height of the eraser? So that is 225. So let me just give the stair layer, okay, L enter, 225, first part 225, enter. Then we have to just give the size of thread. So size of the thread is this one because we have just give the points. Then again 225, then again here, okay, then 225, then again here, okay. Now let me check, okay, this is the ending point, okay. So let me just escape this one from here, and I will delete these lines. These were reference lines, so I will delete this one. Now you can see it will be look like this one. Let me just give this point and this point as well, okay, and I want to delete this one as well, okay, and I will just give this point to this point, okay. Now we are just done up to this level, and in next video we will do second part, okay.